The next big sleep myth is snoring is harmless, and I speak from experience, no it is not. For a long time I snored like a log, and friends and partners said it sounded like I was dying in my sleep. Turns out I wasn't just snoring, it was sleep apnea. Now when you have sleep apnea, you stop breathing in your sleep, and this wakes you up. You're not getting good, deep, healthy sleep, and it can have big effects on your heart and your mental health. And you're pretty much tired all the time. So if your partner or your friend is telling you that you are snoring profusely during the night, it is definitely worth getting checked out for sleep apnea. I do not regret it in the least, because personally, I sleep a whole lot better with my CPAP.